Can you take notes while observing from the courtroom gallery? I reckon the answer is yes. However, you must be careful. Recently, I was questioned about taking notes at Kurri Kurri Local Court. Now, this next bit isn't about the court officers doing their job. Rather, it's an opportunity to do a refresher about court observing. First, don't be shy. Tell the court officer or the sheriff what you are up to before entering the courtroom. Good morning, I'm here to observe. Or, I'm a pin-op in an AVO case. Or, I'm the mum of the defendant and I'm here to support them, etc, etc. I reckon be open. And if they question you, tell them your story. Often people will be helpful. Hey, I've checked your case and it's up next. Or, sit here, you get a better view, etc, etc. Second, when you're inside the courtroom, try and act as normal as possible. Don't bring snacks, no laughing. Yes, you will see people you know at court. Have your catch up outside. Don't bring your dog. Wear pants. No arguing with anyone, yourself, your mum, the sheriff. Third, no photos, no videos, or live streaming, or vlogging, whatever. The Court Security Act prohibits the use of devices for recording sounds and images. Yes, the solicitors and journalists may use a laptop in court. However, I wouldn't use one unless you have permission. So can you take notes with the good old pen and paper? I think the Court Security Act is silent on the use of a pen and paper. Does anyone know where it's written down? The only place I could find where it says you can take notes was the Legal and Justice web pages on the New South Wales Government website. Is that the authority? Why do I take notes? Basically, I can't remember all the details. What was the section of the legislation they were talking about? What case law was quoted? How long was the CCO? Did the offence happen in the home? I think the biggest issue with taking notes is what you do with the notes outside the courthouse. So yes, I may note where the defendant is from for context. However, I don't record the actual address, which is often revealed in open court. Repeating that could cause me a legal issue. Yes, the defendant's names are said out loud, but if you watch my content, you'll notice I don't say the defendant's name. I think the name of the defendant is irrelevant to telling the legal story. So can we take notes while observing from the courtroom gallery? I think the answer is yes, but do it with care.